Hi, presenting our online training course on ultrasonic testing level 1 and 2. So if you are planning to become a UT level 1 or 2, or even wants to know the basic of level 1 ultrasonic testing, this is an excellent course. It has 7 hours of video, 42 lectures, 250 mock practice questions, 280 flashcards with 4 months 24/7 course access. Now, why the e-learning course? To be directly qualified for ASNT UT Level 2 certification, you should complete 80 hours of organized training and also pass general, specific, and practical exam. Now, according to ASNT SNTTC 1A 2022 edition, this organized training can include instructor-led training, personalized virtual instructor, computer-based training, or web-based training. And the current online training course meets the requirement of ASNT SNTC 1A and ANSI ASNT CP 105, which is about topical outlines for qualification of non-destructive testing personnel for organized training. This course includes a general and a specific exam, and what you learn is about NDT certification, sample procedural report, written practice, all about ultrasonic testing, welding processes and defects, ASM Section 5, Article 1 General Requirements, Article 4 UT, metallurgy, manufacturing and fabrication, casting and forging, the basics, welding processes, the 8 popular ones, welding issues, and it has 14 sets of flashcards, 5 sets of practice questions, and finally the general and specific exam paper. We'll go through our course content to explain to you in detail what you're going to learn. And once you have completed the training course and passed the general and specific exam, you shall be issued a certificate of achievement that certifies that you have met the training requirements for ASNT UT level 2 and according to ASNT SNTC 1A and ANSI CP 105 for 2020 edition. Now, what happens if you fail the theory papers? If you fail it, the minimum pass grade is 70%. Your course shall be reset, which means you are required to repeat the course but free of charge. And if you wish to be certified as an internationally recognized ASNT UT level 2, you can then register for one of our one-day practical classroom training and exam across the world. Obviously, additional charges will apply. Now, remember that you have already, by going through this course, you have already passed the general and specific exam. You already covered, be certified that you already covered the training requirement according to ASNT, the 80 hours of training, and so this would be just one-day practical exam, practical classroom training plus exam in Viva is the conventional training, which is 80 hours, so 10 days of classroom training plus 1 day for general, specific, and practical. So you will be saving a lot of time and money in this regard. The time taken off the work, the travel time, the logistical charges, hotel charges, etc. With 120 days, 24/7 course access and online support via WhatsApp and Zoom. So if you have any queries, you can write to us, inspectortraining.com, or simply click on this button. And I am Ash. I'm leading the NDT Level 3 team for designing all our courses. And there will be somebody here who would answer your technical question or something that you did not understand. That also helps us to revise our courses, make it even better. So you're actually helping us by raising any technical queries. Practically, we welcome it. And if you have any general queries, access issues, payment issues, this modes for general queries. You can directly add it to the cart, go to PayPal and buy this course. Now, and you would have automatic access And then once you finish the course, the certificate will be issued automatically to you. Any problem, WhatsApp, email us, and we'll be happy to help. Let's see what this course contains. It has the first module starts with NDT certification, what is level 1, 2, 3, the trainings, the of level 1 and 2 and 3, the eye test, etc. And then it comes a flashcard here. And then on module 2, we'll be going through the sample written practice and question. You can see that this is a flashcard, the highlights of ASNT TC1A. And then we go to sample written practice, certification procedure. And the typical certification procedure, we'll go through it, and all our courses comes with videos. So it's very user-friendly, and we go through all this and we explain what this means, plus you've got the written format of that. Then the next one is sample procedure and report. So we go through a sample procedure, how a procedure should look like, how it should be issued, what are the different standards, scope, etc., definitions, responsibility, personal qualification, and the actual procedure, how the equipment should be set, and the actually sample report, which comes at the end here, and how to fill in the report. On module 3, it is entirely based on application training certification, ultrasound wave properties, and chapter 3 is about typical UT equipment, EcoPass. Chapter 4 is about sizing technique, 6 decibel drop, 20 decibel drop, equal amplitude technique. And then on chapter 5 we'll be talking about detecting relevant discontinuities. You can see here we talk about all these parts and what they all means, and extensive part about detecting the relevant discontinuities like porosity, shrinkage, cracks, slag inclusion, and etc. And then chapter 6, it talks about thickness measurements. Then on module 4, we will be talking about, we have an introduction and then terms and definition of ASME section 5, the general terms and the terms specific to UT. And then we'll talk about article 1, the general requirements, and then article 4, UT for valves. And then there is an extensive flashcard, as you can see here, 14 sets of them. Then on module 5, we'll be going through the basic metallurgy, casting and forging, and manufacturing and fabrication, and then the 8 popular welding processes. On module 6, there is a comprehensive PowerPoint presentation on, so these are the flashcards, as you can see, and comprehensive welding processes. That is 8 popular welding process, and each and every single module comes with a video, with lots of pictures, with videos, and visual inspection, pipe and plate inspection. Let's look at the pipe and plate inspection and see. It's all a PowerPoint presentation with lots of pictures that's coming, and as you can see, it's talking about all the terms, what they mean. And on module 7, we have 5 practice questions, and these questions, they can be graded and timed, and then so this one is like 40 something question and 70 minutes, for example, and you can flag them off, and these are for practice. So start one of them and see how that works. This is about the general knowledge, and you can see you can jump from one to another, you can flag it off, you can if you want to come back to this again, and you can choose your answer, or also see the answer if it is a correct answer right here or not, and then it also explains why this is the right answer or that other one is wrong answer. And so after you have done the 5 sets of this question, then the actual general and specific exams, 40 for general and 20 for specific. And you can do it only once. So once you have started the course, and once you start it, you have to finish it, and you should get 70% grades. If you don't get it, don't worry, we'll renew the course for you, but it's very, very user-friendly. I'm sure all of you will pass this exam. And that was all about our course. Any question, please let us know. WhatsApp line, technical and general queries, or write to us, and we shall be happy to help. And you can buy directly via PayPal, so your payment is safe. We don't hold your card details. It all goes in a safe transaction through PayPal. You can add to cart and go straight away to the course. Have access. Once you finish it, straight away you have your certification. And any issue, please, you can always contact us 24/7. Thank you.